forgot to press record.
Yeah. Actually, no. I think I have it. I know I pressed record. I know I pressed record, but apparently did not record.
Watch us be filming the entire thing and we find out she never actually hit record.
That'd be.
Erica, I'm gonna kill you.
Yeah, that's when I run to the library where it's public, so you wouldn't be able to kill me.
I would still do it.
Okay, I got a good place. How about you guys like stand on here?
Ooh, this is slippery.
How about you guys like stand on here and I can film you guys doing whatever.
No, I don't want to listen to you.
Oh my god. Start it.
Just shut up, Cassie.
Don't follow me.
What's on the news, guys?
I almost sat down. I was gonna sit down.
I can sit down.
Yeah, I can sit down there too. No,
Yeah, my
I wanna
seat's
sit
right.
by you.
Yeah.
Why is she gonna kill us?
Oh God! If you guys kill me, I'm. Did you just? Okay, well, Hannah just fell into the splits. Are both of you falling? How? How? How is that even possible? Wait, double check it. Turn it on. Double check.
She did.
Okay.
I need water.
Just open your mouth.
Ew.
You get raindrops.
Oh, never mind. I thought
It's fresh water.
no,
like-
I thought I was thinking
son of a-
wanted to breathe in the air, but
No.
it works.
You know, I can't
Why did you fall?
I fell laughing.
Oh my God.
I fell laughing on the floor.
Well, are you guys willing to stand there and we can film it? Cassie, don't fall over laughing.
I was like this.
Yeah, I was like this, and somehow she comes over by me, and she just.
It's raining out. Come on, guys.
I'm on
You don't get an excuse. You don't get an excuse. Okay, come on. Are you guys gonna stand up there now?
Alright, we have to memorize these thingies. That's why I like.
Okay. How about we walk around it while you guys memorize that, because then we can get some funny things.
You can get footage. We'll be here.
Oh, then no.
Let's go get pizza, guys.
All I do is I'll just walk around there and I'll meet you back here.
You totally missed how she was walking. Short.
What? Just like.
No, look at her.
It's like. Okay, this is kind of scary. This is really slippery.
Alright, that's it.
I almost fell back.
Oh, that would have been funny! Come on, Hannah, help me. We got to push her.
No, please don't. You'll ruin my hair.
Like, can I introduce it? Can I introduce it?
Come on.
Can I introduce it? Can I introduce it?
Oh, my phone's gonna give me a heart attack.
And this is why the theme of the Veld is an obsession with technology can make us do stupid things. I changed it to stupid just for you.
Thank you.
Oh.
I love my phone so much. I check in between every class. I'll go to my locker just so I
Darn it, she didn't fall.
I go to my locker just so I can check it. Sometimes.
Really? Was that necessary?
Was that necessary? Was that necessary? No pictures, please. No paparazzi.
You've been here for an hour now. You go home.
Yeah, what time? We haven't been here for an hour. Oh, 40 minutes.
40!
We've been doing so much. This can be our funny footage. We haven't had any really.
Yes, we have!
You fell almost.
Cassie.
Don't. I take you down with
No,
me.
no, no. You're the camera. I can't let the camera getting hurt. Ow!
to me having the camera.
I don't care.
Fine. I'll just go like this. Well, here's where we're walking. Hi,
She's
Cassandra.
standing in the property. I can take footage and show us to the library.
Don't push me when I'm over there.
She can't. She's holding me back.
Okay.
Hannah literally just grabbed my neck and holding me back. She's like, no.
Wait, here. Let's do that like this. Okay, wait. Okay. I tried to grab her hood. I missed. I'm sorry.
You grabbed my hair.
I know. I thought I grabbed your hood. Okay. Gee,
My
sorry.
hair is actually cold. I feel like that one time in gym when I came in late. Not yesterday. The time before that.
Yesterday, the day before that.
My hair was freezing cold when I came out of the
Can I introduce it?
I want to introduce you. Give me.
I'm making your seat wet, Cassie.
You introduce
I'm making your seat wet, Cassie.
Yeah.
It's Cassie's.
No, I'll just sit over here.
Okay.
I was also late. No, I was 3 minutes late. I was more late for gym.
Oh, Hannah, don't forget we have a band lesson tomorrow at 8:40.
I don't know if I can go to that.
I have a band lesson tomorrow. Thanks for reminding me.
Okay, come on, let's film.
I want to go to that. Just get it.
If you have, are you doing tests during gym?
Yeah, we are.
Oh, then yeah, you won't be able to.
You wouldn't know since you are in the other German class.
No, she's talking about Jimmy.
No, she wouldn't know what our gym schedule was like because she's not with us.
It wasn't her fault.
Yes, it is. She probably asked to be.
Oh my gosh. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Guys, at work.
Hello, I'm the one that took. Oh, jeez.
That's why I wanted to do it inside.
Okay, another morphic rock.
Ignore Cassie. She didn't even hear me. Oh my God.
No, what'd you say?
Don't tell her. She'll find it out later.
What?
I didn't hear it.
Wait for when it gets to like 7-something minutes
No, just
on
tell
the
me.
video. No.
Just tell me.
No. I
won't
told
be-
the camera.
What did you tell the camera?
Maybe you like someone?
I don't like anyone. Ah! No! Give me the paper. Give me the paper. Metamorphic. Meta means change, and morphic means. And I didn't read that far. I didn't read that far.
Wow, we have another blooper, everybody.
I didn't read that far. Let me. Metamorphic.
Do
Definition of morphic.
do. Siri, don't help her.
Definition of.
What did you do?
morphic.
Did you give her a French accent?
Give me the paper.
Did you give her a French accent?
No, not French.
Okay. Hey, stop. Why can't
Oh God! Don't hurt the camera. Cassie, don't make me.
She got my hair.
Oh, my. This is called a girlfriend, everybody. Well, there goes all the notes. You do know that we're being watched by the construction workers over there. Wait, Cassie, move it a little bit this way. And one of the construction workers was just staring in the window.
Oh.
He was just staring. Oh my God. Move out of the way! I'm zoomed in on them.
It's on.
I just completely hit that. I thought it was.
When we watch the video, I'll show you the part. I'm choking now. Thanks.
I'm choking.
Let's just
be like
zoom
Daniel.
in on Cassie's
on
face
the
here.
on the one picture of Corbin, they call me Corn Bin. Daniel said I just choked on my food.
No,
Oh.
wait, we need to find Cassie again. Stop. We found her.
I'm going for a nice little walk.
All right. Please tell me I don't have to run. Because running with the camera does not make the camera angles good.
I'm also 30.
Here we have spotted a wild Cassie in her natural habitat. You can tell she's definitely.
Come sit right in this spot.
I will definitely not be going over to sit there. Mm-mm. Okay, we're gonna zoom out a little bit.
Hey, get in the bathroom. I'm gonna start. Erica, where are you going? Come here. Erica. Where are you going? Metamorphic. This is for metamorphic. Stay out here. You're a compact.
That's why I wanted to do it inside, is because then it
I'm just gonna walk around. That's all I'm gonna do. Oh, there's a mechanical pencil. Wait, here, I'll show you the mechanical pencil. There, it's there. Okay. Wait a little bit for where she goes. Cassie! Let's see. Oh my god. Whatever. Watch for cars. Watch, you'll get hit by a car now. What on earth are they building? What? You're probably because you hit it so much, because you do that.
Do what? No, I just started doing it. No.
Whatever. Whatever. Now we gotta film our ball. We have to film our ball.
Metamorphic rock.
Mm.
I'm trying to actually do our project here. And you people keep interrupting me. Metamorphic rock.
Wait, can you do your dizzy thing again?
My what?
Your dizzy thing where you just keep spinning and spinning.
I'll do it when we do
Fall.
Oh.
Darn, it didn't work. Oh, she didn't get dizzy.
I'll do it when we come back.
No, I'm staying inside now. For a little bit at least. Whoa!
Ow.
Oh. Stop hitting me, please. Oh, would you look at that? I see a reflection. Pick a door. Fine, let's go through this door. I like that door better anyways.
Should we do it inside?
Yeah, sure.
Where my focus is on?
Let's go up to the library and then go to the kitchen bathroom. Okay. Now I gotta take this out while it's still recording. I literally never stopped filming actually.
Look at it.
What is it? I can't see.
Jeans, you know, with the case.
Oh.
I think I should say hi to my mom. What are you doing?
I'm trying to find a good spot that I can angle this at.
Oh, God, it's so warm.
Yeah. Yeah, but we don't know what the password is.
Why am I on the couch?
Yeah. True. You could just log in there. Okay, Hannah. So, we're logging in on her computer now. This is a 15-minute video while I work on my language arts essay. Terribly written, by the way.
Oh, she's already still signed on.
Okay, behind the can of frosting. Oh, jeez. Straight bun. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna move this. Darn it! We've been spotted.
I just got a 7-point headache and I was walking up those stairs.
So warm.
Okay, now